I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing items and your body. Wash and thoroughly dry the finger so readings won't be diluted by moisture. Once done, insert a fresh test strip into the AccuChek meter until it displays the test symbol. This readies the circuitry and countdown. Prepare the lancet by cocking and choosing 1-2 depth for fingertip skin thickness. Choose the side of the finger to reduce soreness. You'll understand why each step stabilizes the sample and improves accuracy as we continue. You now perform the sample collection deliberately. Use the lancet on the outer edge of the fingertip and lightly milk toward the tip if needed, but avoid heavy squeezing because pressure can dilute glucose. Wipe away the first visible drop only if it's contaminated, then bring the strip to the second drop. AccuChek strips draw blood by capillary action, so touching the drop to the strip edge is faster and cleaner. Watch the meter count down, then confirm the number, and write it down with time and any notes. You finish by safely disposing of the used lancet and strip in a sharps container and storing the meter and spare strips in a dry place away from extreme heat. This preserves accuracy. If the meter shows an error code, pause, remove the strip, insert a new one, and repeat. Also check batteries and strip expiry. If readings still look inconsistent with symptoms, repeat once more or use an AccuChek control solution to verify the meter. That single troubleshooting step often clarifies whether device or...
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.